Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, we're going to break down the top trading brokers you should be using in 2025. Choosing the right broker can make a huge difference in your success as a trader. It's what separates the pros from the beginners. So if you're serious about trading this year, make sure you stick around. And of course, if you find this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Alright, let's jump straight into it. Here are my top 5 brokers for trading in 2025. First up is Webull. This one is especially great for beginner traders who want a simple and easy-to-use interface. Webull is commission-free, has extended trading hours, and even gives you free Level 2 market data. The mobile app is super smooth, which makes it perfect if you're trading on the go. If you're just starting out and want something clean, modern, and mobile-friendly, Webull is definitely worth checking out. Next up, we've got Thinkorswim by Charles Schwab. This platform has been around forever, and it's still one of the best out there. Thinkorswim is perfect if you want reliable charting, a wide range of indicators, and multiple account types. Something I really like is the built-in education center. It's like having a mini trading course right inside the platform. And yes, they also have paper trading, so you can practice without risk. Overall, Thinkorswim is a well-rounded broker that's beginner-friendly but still powerful enough for advanced traders. Coming in at number 3 is Moomoo. Honestly, Moomoo has been gaining a lot of attention recently, and for good reason. It's completely commission-free, offers advanced charting, scanners, and even an AI stock monitor that helps highlight trading opportunities. For new traders, I love the fact that Moomoo has paper trading built right in, so you can practice entries and exits without risking real money. They also support fractional shares and even have a social community called The Moo, where traders share ideas. Now, the one drawback is that Moomoo is more focused on standard brokerage accounts, not retirement accounts. So if you're looking strictly for trading, this platform is a solid choice. Number 4 on the list is Interactive Brokers, a true powerhouse in the trading world. If you're someone who wants access to a wide range of markets, advanced risk management tools, and global investing opportunities, Interactive Brokers is the way to go. It's not just for stocks. You can trade options, futures, forex, and more. Honestly, this platform is best suited for traders who want to diversify and who plan on trading at a higher level. It's professional grade, but once you get the hang of it, it's one of the most versatile brokers you can use. And last but not least, we've got Robinhood. Now, I know this broker gets mixed opinions, but it's still one of the most popular platforms for a reason. Robinhood is simple, beginner-friendly, and allows you to trade stocks, ETFs, options, crypto, and even open retirement accounts. They also support fractional shares, which is great if you're working with a smaller account. The biggest drawback, though, is that Robinhood makes money through something called payment for order flow, meaning you're not always guaranteed the best price on your trades. That being said, if you're just looking for a clean, easy app and you're not doing high-frequency trading, Robinhood can still be a solid option. So there you have it, guys. Those are my top 5 brokers for trading in 2025. Moomoo, Thinkorswim, Interactive Brokers, Webull, and Robinhood. Each of them has their strengths, and the best choice really depends on your trading style and what features matter most to you. If you got value from this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which broker you are currently using. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.